Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's class we'll be learning this amazing wallet or purse. Okay, it's super easy and beginner friendly. If this is what you are searching for, please watch this video from beginning to the end. You're going to enjoy it. Okay, so this is what it can contain and even more. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Now this is the measurement, which is measuring 17 inches by 8.5 inches. You need only one panel for this. So after you might have cut it, you fold it by 2 to ascertain the center. Okay, after ascertaining the center, you now fold it again, as you can see me demonstrate. Okay, this will enable me to sew my logo, and this is where I will place my logo. But if you don't have, no problem, or any decoration that you want. Okay, so after getting this part, I will now insert my magnets. Okay, you can insert 2 magnets if you want. I will just use one for this. I will also ascertain the center and also repeat the same method. Can you see? Then this is where I'm going to insert my magnets. Can you see? So that when I fold it, is going to be normal, it's going to lock up normal. Okay, so this is how it's going to be. So after inserting the magnet, I will insert the washer or the cover of the magnets. Okay, can you see what we've achieved? So after this part is being done, I will use a lining to cover it. As you can see, wrong side of the lining facing wrong side of the fabric. Then I will sew it. After that, I will trim out the excess. Then after that, I will bring a zip cloth. I will sew the complete zip cloth to this side, and also sew the complete zip cloth to this other side also. Okay, after this part is being done, I will now top stitch it, align it very well and top stitch it. Okay, so after top stitching it, this is the result. Then I will now insert the puller. I'm using one puller. Okay, so after inserting the puller, this is the result. So I will now carry another lining. Okay, I'll bring another lining and place it as shown also, and I will stitch it all round. Also, is very easy and beginner friendly. Okay, after this, I will trim out the excess. Please just follow it gradually. Then I will now bring another zip cloth. I will now open it, divide it by 2, then I'll place it as shown and sew it. Okay, so can you see how it is? Very beautiful. So I'm using this one, is 1.5 inch. I'll fold it by 4 to beautify this other side where I join the other side of the zip clothes. Okay, I'll just sew it. Can you see? I'll just sew it. It's very easy to make. Okay, after this part is being done, can you see? So it's now time for me to also insert another zip cloth to this one, making 3 pockets. Okay, making 3 pockets. Can you see? It's very easy. Then I'll now stitch this side, and I'll now trim out the excess zip cloths. It's very easy, so just follow it gradually. Can you see? To my returning viewers and returning subscribers, I love you so very much. Thank you so very much. You are indeed a backbone to this channel. So after this part is being done, I will now cover this side with a bias tape. Okay, to beautify it. So if you have watched to this point and you've not subscribed to my channel, please do well by subscribing to my channel. Turn on the notification bell and download and share this video to other audience. So this is the handle, which is measuring 10 inches by 1.5 inch and 1 by 1 3/4 inch. Okay, so I'll fold it as into 4 as shown. Then I'll sew it straight. Okay, please share this video so that it will reach a wider audience. Then I'll use a ring for this handle, just as you are seeing me do. Okay, so please just pay attention and be detailed with your work. I'm going to insert it as you can see me do, and our purse is, or wallet is, ready. Can you see? Very beautiful. So please feel free to download and share. Also like, it won't cost you anything to just like this video. So thank you so very much for your time. Thank you for everything, and see you in the next class. Bye for now.